margins.
Yep.
The suspension travel makes a huge difference off-road,
Yeah.
and the engine mapping is much smoother now.
Right. Does the new exhaust routing affect?
The Yamaha XT series has long been known for its rugged nature and easy-to-ride character. The 2026 Yamaha XT200 is expected to follow that same philosophy, offering a balance between on-road comfort and off-road capability, designed for riders who want a practical motorcycle that can handle daily commuting as well as weekend exploration. The XT200 remains a popular choice in the entry-level, dual sport segment engine and performance expectations. At the heart of the 2026 Yamaha XT200 is an expected small displacement, air-cooled engine designed for reliability rather than raw power. This type of engine setup is known for low maintenance and long service life. The XT200 is expected to deliver smooth power, suitable for city traffic, country roads, and light off-road use. Instead of high speed, the focus remains on controllable torque and consistent performance across different terrains. Design and overall appearance. The 2026 Yamaha XT200 is expected to maintain a clean and functional design, rather than an aggressive or overly modern look. Yamaha typically focuses on practicality in the XT lineup, and this model is likely no different. A tall stance, upright riding position, and minimal bodywork give the XT200 a purposeful appearance. The design is aimed at durability, making it suitable for rough roads, trails, and unpredictable riding conditions. Riding comfort and ergonomics. One of the biggest strengths of the Yamaha XT200 has always been its rider-friendly ergonomics. The upright seating position allows for better visibility and comfort. During long rides, the seat height is expected to be manageable for most riders, especially beginners. Wide handlebars in a neutral foot peg position help reduce fatigue, making the XT200 suitable for daily use as well as extended rides. Suspension and handling capability. The 2026 Yamaha XT200 is expected to feature long travel suspension, designed to absorb bumps, potholes, and uneven terrain. This makes the motorcycle versatile enough for both paved roads and dirt paths. The lightweight frame helps improve handling, especially at lower speeds, giving riders confidence. Whether they are navigating traffic or riding on trails, fuel efficiency and practical use. Fuel efficiency is one of the most appealing aspects of the XT200. Yamaha's small displacement engines are known for excellent mileage, making the 2026 XT200 a cost-effective option for daily commuting. The fuel tank is expected to provide enough range for city rides and short adventures without frequent refueling, adding to its practicality, safety, and reliability. Yamaha has built a strong reputation for reliability, and the XT200 is expected to continue that tradition. Simple engineering-proven components and easy maintenance make this motorcycle dependable over time. Basic braking systems and predictable handling contribute to rider confidence, especially for those new to dual sport motorcycles. Who is the 2026 Yamaha XT204? The 2026 Yamaha XT200 is ideal for beginners, students, daily commuters, and riders who want a lightweight adventure motorcycle. It suits those who value simplicity, low maintenance costs, and versatility over high performance or advanced electronics. It is also a great choice for riders living in areas with mixed road conditions. The 2026 Yamaha XT200 represents a motorcycle built with purpose. Rather than excess, it focuses on usability, reliability, and comfort, making it a smart choice for everyday riding and light exploration. While it may not be the most powerful motorcycle in Yamaha's lineup, it delivers exactly what many riders need: dependable performance and real-world practicality.